Hi, welcome to ScratchNet, an end-to-end deep learning project where I've built and trained artificial neural networks entirely from scratch in NumPy. No frameworks, no shortcuts. The ScratchNet web app lets you interact with three different apps: House Price Predictor, Breast Cancer Classifier, and Iris Flower Species Classifier, all of them trained on three different custom neural networks. In each tab, there are various feature distributions to visualize them, followed by the input feature prompt where you can interact with model directly. So let's predict the house price by these input features. So here you can see the predicted house price and visualize it on the scatter plot as well. And then we have model details and performance metrics. Let's say in iris flower species classifier. So these are the model details and performance metrics where you can see the model architecture, parameters, and multiple metrics like accuracy with the loss curve. Now comes the main part, which is the neural network module, which I have created from scratch. Here you can see various activation functions, layers, loss functions, and the neural network itself. So, and all of this is open source. So this is about my app, ScratchNet. You can try it yourself by visiting this link, scratchnet.streamlit.app. Hope you all liked it. Thank you.